NBC29 forecast.
A nice snapshot from this morning captured by Linda Basil. These are asperatus clouds. We don't see these very often. It is a rare cloud formation, and it was only back in 2015 that the World Meteorological Organization adopted this new classification of clouds. But obviously the underside of these clouds resemble waves of the ocean. And basically we have a stable layer at the surface, but there's turbulence aloft, some instability, creating that wave formation that you see. But pretty neat. Again, it's a rare sighting to see asperatus clouds. Let's take a look at the cloud cover now. It is quite extensive here across central Virginia. 69. Winds are out of the south and southeast. That easterly component is bringing moisture in off the Atlantic. It banks it up against the mountains, and hence the clouds that have rolled in here throughout the course of the day. 64 with cloudy skies in the Shenandoah Valley. South-southeasterly winds at 7. We have 66 in Madison, 67 in Louisa, same in Palmyra. Dillon's our warm spot here at the 5 o'clock hour at 70, 63 in Waynesboro, and 65 currently in Harrisonburg. Temperatures tonight generally in the upper 40s to low 50s across central Virginia. Still some middle to upper 40s in the Shenandoah Valley. Now tomorrow we're likely to begin the morning with a fair amount of cloudiness similar to what we have now, and then it should mix out for some sunshine. Temperatures generally in the low to some mid 70s across the region. That's still a little bit below average, but it'll be a comfortable day. Looking ahead toward the weekend, of course, a lot of activities with final exercises at the University of Virginia and other events taking place. Here we are Saturday, temperatures in the upper 70s. The first part of the day is dry. Anytime after 4 or 5 o'clock from west to east, there'll likely be some showers and thunderstorms developing. The good news is that front's going to clear the region. Sunday's a much drier day, and we're expecting temperatures right around 80 degrees. So as you take a look at the satellite and radar combination, you can see how the clouds have really started to fill in. It's kind of the combination of high pressure, which is over New England, and an area of low pressure that's developing off the South Carolina coast. So the combination of those two features, sort of like cogs in a wheel, that's bringing that easterly component of wind up against the mountains. Now, we're not expecting rain from this, but this will be moving off to the north and east throughout the day tomorrow. But that high pressure is kind of wedged in with the cooler air and the clockwise flow on high pressure, bringing in that easterly component to the wind. Our next front will organize out of the plain states, and that'll be working across the country here over the next several days, and that'll be our player for Saturday. But in the meantime, lots of clouds here tonight, and at least to start tomorrow morning. Of course, with that easterly component, that's a cooler direction, a cooler wind, and so temperatures are cool this afternoon. Charlottesville, Charlotte, even Philadelphia. So here we are tonight. Again, a lot of cloudiness into tomorrow morning, upper 40s to low 50s, and then the clouds should mix out for some sunshine, low and mid 70s for afternoon highs here for Friday. Saturday starts dry, temperatures in the 50s. Here we are at about mid-afternoon. Things are still relatively dry, 75 to near 80. But then after, say, 4 or 5 o'clock, we'll start to see those showers and thunderstorms work in from the west, and they'll work across the region the rest of Saturday evening. Temperatures here tonight, mid-40s to low 50s under mostly cloudy skies. Here's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Again, temperatures on Saturday in the upper 70s with some late afternoon and evening showers and storms. Then we'll dry things out for Sunday into the first part of next week.